Yo. Monkey Knuckles Productions, Under Oath Entertainment, Let the Truth Be Told Records, SLH, Radiation Earth, the radioactive planet, check it out. Extremely lethal global spread, radioactive contamination threatens the continuation of life on Earth as we know it. Radiation spontaneously and instantaneously attacks and destroys living human tissue, significantly killing the biological living organism. Brutally vicious, surprise annihilation, mysteriously by something you can't even see. Well, it deceases ya, putting you to sleep, then eventually raining extinction on every living single species that you see. Evaporating water molecules and even speed increasingly quick, decaying the molecular fabric of the skin cells, completely erasing the human civilization from existence. How else can I explain this sensible in a fit sentence so your common sense can comprehend the full effect of danger radiation represents? Radioactive exposure is the human body's worst enemy. It's more poisonous to us than something extremely venomous is. It's more harmful to us than super toxic chemicals being sprinkled in your drink you're sipping when you're not looking, caught slipping at a celebration, blindfolded by the fun, forgetting to pay attention to your cup. But that's nothing compared to the effects radiation and cesium emits and gives out. The symptoms are unforgivable. Basically, it's already too late if you start to show signs. Radiation gives you cancer. Unfortunately, the outcome is unimaginably catastrophic. Sadly, that's what's already happening slowly, and there's nothing the government can do to stop it. The whole Pacific Ocean is radioactive, as well as all the sea life that inhabit that particular environment. You could blame Fukushima nuclear meltdown in 2011 for that one, plus millions plan to abandon their homelands in Japan. The reason why people are fleeing their country is because they're afraid of becoming radioactive contaminated. I wouldn't blame them if I was in their situation. I would do the same thing. I would pack up all my family and peace out as soon as possible. Even if the government told me it was safe and told me not to go, I wouldn't believe them. You would see me still leaving. But Joe, I wanna get my point across. This place already is and has been Radiation Earth, the radioactive planet since the nuclear meltdown that happened back in 1986. That Chernobyl accident that happened began the rapid descent of time our kind had left on this planet. The world changed forever after that, and the after effect was so bad, it was way worse than they expected to happen. Radiation causes multiple deformity conditions in humans and develop severe health issues, ultimately leaving us defenseless, taking the life of any victims infected. And for your information, after a place has become an alienation zone, it has to be completely evacuated because it becomes way too dangerous for anybody to inhabit areas and zones within the radiation radius. Radiation takes more than 600 years to disappear, and even then it still isn't clearly gone. That means you would be incapable to plant crops on the land you live on. You can't grow food in radioactive soil. You can't drink the water, and the fish are forbidden. The fatal combination of a radiation-infected species living in a radioactive environment is an unsurvivable worldwide event. How are you supposed to survive 600 years of dehydration or starvation? You wouldn't. That's an impossible situation for the human race to be put in.